Hi, I'm Nicole and I wanted to share a little surprise with you. This relates to Nakamura Hikaru's Saint Oniisan, published by Kodansha, of Buddha and Jesus living in downtown Tachikawa, taking a gap year. This manga is fantastic, and we have the collections in the British Museum. It was originally published in manga Morning 2, this Morning 2 in Japanese, but Morning 2, this manga magazine in Japan, and you see various different things. And when you open it up, this is Buddha and Jesus. And when you open it up, what you find in Japanese manga, which I absolutely love, is you get little presents. And here, you open it up, and you have a special story, kind of Buddha and Jesus action figures in a SF science fiction manga story. So you have these precedents of having these little extra goods, even folders. But what I want to share with you today is this one. I bought volume 13 specifically because it came with the Last Dinner dining mat. So I want you to open it with me. We open it up and we can see that the present is actually bigger than the manga itself. And here we have this, and I haven't seen it yet, so this is a first for both of us, I think, unless you, of course, have one already. I'd be maybe a little bit jealous. We're going to hear, and this is the manga. So we have the manga. As you know, you open it up from the right and read from the right to the left, and this is Buddha and Jesus gathering autumn leaves and being very communal right here. So you have the whole manga, but what I'm interested in is this. So here it says, this is the Last Supper, and luncheon mat. So let's see, let's open it up and see how it goes. Of course, it's taped very firmly. One moment. Should we put this in the collection? It's going to be pretty fantastic. Hold on. Yes, it is a cloth Last Dinner mat for your lunch. Saint Young Man right here, Saint Oniisan. You have Jesus, of course. You have the disciples, which are all his friends right here. And do we have Buddha? Yep, we've got Buddha. And these are Buddha's disciples, and then we have Jesus's on this side. So pretty wonderful, huh?